What makes Hugo Calderano truly feared at WTTC finals? Doha 2025, is it the speed, is it the tactics? No, at the WTTC Finals Doha 2025, it's one thing, the power. Ask the top players, ask the Chinese team. They all say the same, Hugo Calderano is the most powerful player today.
Power?
I go for Hugo.
Power.
Calderano.
Power.
Calderano.
Power.
Hugo.
Hugo Calderano is advancing and he is dominating. His shots are not just fast, they are explosive. Every stroke he makes carries immense force. When you watch Hugo play, you feel the pressure he puts on his opponents with every forehand, every backhand. It's raw, physical power, unmatched on the tour right now. That's why the Chinese coaches consider him the most dangerous rival. Not because he's tricky, not because he's fast, but because when Hugo hits, the point is almost over. This is the real threat. This is Hugo Calderano at WTTC Finals Doha 2025.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.